I am worried about getting a sexually transmitted infection. My partner doesn't want to use a condom. I want to be prepared myself rather than depending upon my partner. Is there something like a male condom for women? Yes, there is. Last year we did a fact video on male condoms and a lot of you asked me about female condoms that time. So here it is. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anjali Kumar. I'm a gynecologist and obstetrician and I bring greetings to you from Maitri. Maitri is a space where we talk anything and everything about women's health. So what is a female condoms? Female condoms are also called the internal condoms. They are an alternative to regular male condoms. They are a barrier method of contraception, which means that they work by stopping the sperm meet the egg. They provide pretty much the same protection from pregnancy and STDs as male condoms. So what's different about them? So instead of going on the man, the internal condoms go inside the vagina for pregnancy prevention or into the vagina or anus for protection from STDs. For a long time, they were called female condoms. However, people of any gender can use them for vaginal or anal sex. How do internal condoms work? Internal condoms, also called the female condoms, are little nitrile, which is a soft plastic pouches that have to be put inside the vagina. They cover the inside of the vagina, creating a barrier which stops the sperm from reaching an egg. How to use a female condom? Female condoms come in sealed packets. So first, check the expiry date on the packet. Open the packet carefully and remove the female condom, taking care not to tear it. Do not open the packet with your teeth or a scissor. The condom can get damaged by sharp fingernails or jewelry, so take care accordingly. It has a pouch, an inner ring at the closed end and an outer ring at the open end. The thick inner ring with the closed end is used for placing in the vagina and to hold the condom in place. The thin outer ring remains outside of body, covering the vaginal opening. There is also a silicone-based lubricant on both the inside and outside of the internal condom. How to put it inside? So for this, relax and get into any comfortable position. It could be standing with one foot on a stool, lying down, or maybe a squatting position. Squeeze the inner ring at the closed end of the condom and slide it in like a tampon. Push the inner ring into the vagina as far as it can go. Make sure that the condom is not twisted. You can put a finger inside the condom and push it even deeper. It can be inserted up to 8 hours before the intercourse also. Make sure that the large ring at the open end of the condom covers the area around the opening of the vagina, and now it is ready. Make sure the penis goes inside the female condom, not between the condom and the side of the vagina. Make sure the penis does not come in contact with the vagina before the condom has been put in. Remember, even the pre-ejaculatory secretions also can contain sperms. How to remove the internal condom? You can twist the condom near the large ring and gently pull it out to prevent the semen leaking out. How to dispose the internal condom? Most internal condoms come with a disposal bag. So put the used condom in that bag or simply wrap it in a paper and throw away the condom in a bin, not in the toilet. How effective it is? If used correctly, female condoms are 95% effective in preventing pregnancy and STIs. Does it feel uncomfortable when it is inside? No, you should not feel it when it is correctly placed inside. Do they protect against STIs? Yes, they do. Like male condoms, they protect against sexually transmitted infections, including HIV. Who can use a female condom? People of any gender can use them for vaginal or anal sex. Women can use them after delivery, miscarriage, and even during periods. But internal condoms may not be suitable for women who are not comfortable touching their genital area. Can it be used along with a male condom? If you use a female condom, your partner doesn't need to wear a male condom. If you use two condoms at the same time, they could rip. Is there any need to use an extra lubricant? Female condoms come pre-lubricated to make them easier to use, but in case you want, you can use an additional lube. Do female condoms come in different sizes? No, the internal condoms come in only one single size. Internal condoms are similar in length to male condoms but are much wider. What if the female condom tears? If used correctly, the possibility of tearing is very low. However, in that case, consider taking an emergency contraception and a test for sexually transmitted infection. Are they easily available? They are not as widely available as male condoms and can be slightly more expensive than male condoms, but you can buy them online, in the pharmacies and in supermarkets too. So what is better, male or a female condom? It all depends upon the couple, their choices, their preferences and the availability of course. But yes, the female or the internal condoms have their own place. They are empowering. They give the control in a woman's hands. Whether you are a woman who wants to have more control over her sexual health or a partner who wants to share the responsibility of protection, the female condoms are here to stay. So today, if you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Maitri, and we will see you soon.